Morning from Varanasi station. So today I'm here in Varanasi and I've got a 19-hour train to Rishikesh. So like all the way up to the northeast of the country. So I'm going to take you along with me, and yeah, see what a 19-hour train looks like. I'm in the second class, so like AC sleeper class. I think it was around £25 for a ticket, 2,500 rupees. So yeah, I'll take you along. Apparently you can get Domino's delivered to your seat, so I'd definitely try that. I'm in coach A1, I've just seen it, so I'm gonna catch up. See what it's like. I'm a bit scared, it's not as nice as I thought it'd be. 37, that's where I am.
37, your seat number 37?
37.
Yeah. It was mine earlier.
Thank you. See what it's like. Very tight. Oh, I want one of those side ones. So.
44 here.
Not a clue where you see the seat numbers. 37. Eh? Oh, yeah, okay. Oh. And there's my bed. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be lower, but not that bothered to be honest. Little room tour. Can't believe I'm here for 37 hours. No, not 37. That's my seat number. 19 hours. They're obviously the best seats, the one by the window. But at least I've got aircon. I'm glad I got the aircon class. So I don't know what I'm going to do for 19 hours. Watch a bit of Netflix, edit this video maybe. I'm just most excited about getting the Domino's. I might get it for like 5 o'clock, there's a station 5 o'clock. And yeah, get that for dinner. I'm attempting to change your bed, on the bed. It's not going well. I can't believe I've got 19 hours on there, bored already. Luckily I've chatted to the people around me in the sound, so that can keep me amused for a bit. And throughout the journey, I'll get that Domino's, see if it actually comes, and I'll show you the toilets, because I think that's what everyone wants to see. How bad are they? are, ladies and gents. This is the state of the toilet. Luckily, I only need a wee. Yeah. Even that, I don't want to be in there very long, so I'm going to leave it there. Got like 2 hours till my Domino's, and then yeah, hopefully I'll just sleep the rest. I arrive at like 5 AM into Rishikesh, so hopefully everything's on time. I can't wait for my pizza. I'm absolutely starving, but for some reason the train has stopped. But I'm going to leave the toilet because it stinks. It's now like 7 o'clock. The train's been delayed like 2.5 hours. So when I was meant to get my Domino's at like 5:30, I'm still not going to get it for like another an hour and 15. So I've cracked and bought some bourbons for 40p because I've not eaten today and it's 7 PM. I'm just hoping that Domino's all works out, like buzzing for it if it comes. I still don't believe that it will. But they're just going to turn up there. They're just going to turn up there and bring me a Domino's. Who knows? But I'll let you know in an hour. But in the meantime, just watching a bit of Netflix. Pretty much what I've done all day. Having a few bourbons, but trying to save myself for the pizza in case. No way. I'm buzzing. I am buzzing. So it's actually like 10 o'clock now. So it's 5 hours after I was going to get it. And I've still got my Domino's. I'm starving. I've literally had bourbons and that's it. So I'm going to tuck into this. Oh, I'm so happy. Beautiful. I've ever had, and I've been to Italy, I've had it there. Nothing beats it on the 19-hour train journey in India. It's going to end up like a 24-hour train journey because we're 5 hours late, I think. But unbelievable. I'm going to keep eating this and then probably go to sleep, and hopefully when I wake up I'm in Rishikesh. But I don't know what time I expected, so I don't know if I need to set an alarm or anything. Right, that was unbelievable. I've only eaten like half the pizza, and then I'll have the other half for breakfast because I don't actually know what time I'll get to Rishikesh. Because if we're 5 hours late, I'm not going to get there till like midday tomorrow. I'm going to try and get some sleep, and yeah, see you tomorrow to see what the adventure brings. It is 10 o'clock, it's 10 o'clock now, so I'm meant to be getting there at 5 AM, so in 7 hours, but that ain't happening. So I should be arriving 10 AM tomorrow would be my guess, which is not too bad to be fair. It just means I can check in my hostel pretty much when I get there. But yeah, good night, we'll see you in the morning. It is 7 AM, so I actually managed to get some sleep. I think I woke up like every 2 hours, but wasn't too bad. I think we're still about 2 hours away from Rishikesh. That's my guess. It didn't really set on the map, but yeah, 2-3 hours left I think, and then we'll arrive. So it's going to end up 24 hours on the train. So I've arrived in Rishikesh. I nearly missed my stop. Been on there 24 hours and nearly missed it. I was so engrossed in my game of Football Manager, but it's mad being here, like all the mountains, and just seems a very chill place. So I'm so happy to be here, somewhere a bit different, see like completely different side of India. So yeah, it should be interesting. I'll make a couple of videos while I'm here, explore some other of the like mountain towns. But yeah, great place to be, buzzing to be here. So thanks for watching, bit of a more chilled video, just me on the train. But make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.